are doing a spring try-on clothing haul. These are my picks as a non-binary person. So we got some unisex stuff going on, but we also have some femme stuff going on today. So let's just do it. First, let's start out with the shirt I'm wearing. I think this design is so cool. The shirt is from aelfric. I'm doing a brand deal with them on my Instagram page. This was sent to me for that purpose. And then also from them we have this pleather jacket, which I think is so good. It has this button that looks really cute. I mean, you'll see it on me. I really like that jacket. And then the last thing I have from them is a pair of jeans. I am not the biggest fan of how these jeans fit me. Originally I was gonna get a different pair and then those were out of stock, so I picked like the most similar ones. If I had sized up, I might like these a little better because they are like mid-rise and they like fit me mid-rise. Kind of curve out here, just like the slightest amount, and it emphasizes my hips in a way that I do not like. And then moving on from them, I have two binders which I got from For Them. I'm doing a whole video of trying these on. It might be up already at this point, but I freaking love this. I love this. It's so comfortable. This is the regular binder. They also sent me the binder max, but I like the regular one I think better. Check out that video if you haven't already if you want more details about these. They're so comfy. Like I'm in awe. This is a black like slightly cropped hoodie from Liquid Lagoon. I don't know if I've talked about them in a while, but like it's an independent designer and I really like his stuff. My bestie got this in like a mystery box and it's just like fits me better, so he gave it to me. And this is in a size large. It really fits like a medium though, so like be aware of that. I think this is really cute. It goes really well with this jacket, which is also a little bit cropped, so I can wear them together and it looks fine. And it's nice to have a hoodie that's a little more cropped because sometimes my hoodies try to like stick out the bottom of my jacket that I put on top and I don't like it. You're definitely gonna be seeing this in my like spring outfit ideas video. And then I feel so lucky because Tunnel Vision also sent me like a spring package. I freaking love Tunnel Vision. One of the founders has like a TikTok page and she's always like talking about real stuff and I just love. So let's do the haul. I feel so blessed and lucky. Like thank you all for watching my videos because holy crap, what is my life? Thank you. I guess we'll start with the accessories. I showed some of these in my like accessories video. If you haven't seen that yet, I'm very happy with how it turned out. I put in the extra effort and I feel like it was worth it. I got two pairs of sunglasses from Tunnel Vision. I honestly was surprised they like sent me this much stuff, so I feel very lucky. Here is the first pair. They are clear frames with little blue lenses. So what the shape is like, I feel like these are definitely going to be like spring summer mood for me. I don't have a lot of glasses with like these colored like still kind of see-through lenses, so I am a big fan of these and I like the unique frames and I like how they're a little smaller. I've been looking for some like smaller sunglasses as well. And then I also got those sunglasses in the black colorway. Also very cool, very chic. I feel like I've just been looking for like a slim black sunglass and this is exactly that. I feel like it has sort of like a 90s silhouette almost. I don't know, I wasn't alive, you know, I was not alive, but I think these are so cool. And then also in the realm of accessories from them, I have this belt which has this like chain buckle with a like padlock hanging off of it. So interesting, so different. This looks really great. I also was wearing this for part of my like accessories video. In one of the clips I think I'm wearing this. I'm definitely happy to have like another belt option because I don't have a ton of belts, you know. I don't feel like I need a ton of belts, but it's cool to have options. And then also in the accessory category from them, I have this choker which is just like so fire, like excuse me. It's got a rose engraving on one side on the flat metal part and on the other side it has Tunnel Vision, so you could pick either side. Let me put it on for you. And here's the thing with this, does it stab me a tiny bit? Yeah, yes it does, just sort of in a slight way, not in a particularly dangerous feeling way. I'm definitely happy to have this in my collection because I feel like it fits in with my other jewelry and is gonna be like, people are gonna be like, what is that necklace you're wearing? And then I also have 3 pieces of clothing from them. This one is definitely like a little outside of my comfort zone, but I am excited. If I were to go outside and I knew that I would not see a single man, I would dress so differently. Like I feel like I would actually wear a lot more feminine clothing sometimes. And this falls into that category because this is definitely like a short skirt. But basically it's this 2-layered skirt. This is the base layer. And then there's this like leather layer as well. I think this looks best on to show you. It's so cool. I did definitely actually get my actual size, so good job, Iris. I'm always like with pants, I'm always like getting a size up so that I'm comfy, but I got like the fitted size for this, and that was definitely a good choice. It's definitely very short, so I need to be a little brave. I need to feel brave to wear these. And this is part of definitely like trying to get like a sandy outfit together. Like, can you imagine these together? Like, it's perfect. And then from them I also got this pair of pants, which I feel like I could have sized down, and I feel like I could have gotten a small, but I don't regret getting a medium. They just sit pretty low on my hip. This is a pair of like corduroy pants. They're like sweeper pants almost. Let me show you. They are so big and they are incredibly comfy. I'm excited to wear these. I definitely need to wear them with platforms so they're not like dragging on the ground. Yeah, I don't think I could cope with them dragging on the ground because they're corduroy, especially like with jeans, like they can drag on the ground. It's whatever. Corduroy, a little different. And then lastly from Tunnel Vision, this one has me like just in absolute awe, and that is this oh my god, guys, this dress is one of the prettiest things I've ever put on my body. This is my like hippie fantasy dress, and I know some of you are like, hippie, what do you mean, Iris? My hometown, so f***ing hippie, guys, so hippie. When I turned 30, I mean, I've been saying 30 in my head, but 35, I don't know. When I have a kid, y'all are not prepared for how I'm about to be dressing. Honestly, maybe even sooner than that. I just know my soul like knows what it's gonna be like. And this dress absolutely falls into that category. This has this like corset, like tie situation, and it's just so flattering and beautiful, and I love it. I will see you all in the spring outfits video when that comes out. Soon, probably. I have some very good ideas this time. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.